Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can play GTA Vice City on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play GTA Vice City on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for GTA Vice City. You're going to click onto this second link from rockstargames.com. You're going to log your account in if you haven't already. And then you're just going to click on buy now on here, right under Grand Theft Auto Vice City. And then you're just going to click on buy now on here right under PC included with GTA Plus. And then you're going to fill in all of these details. So you're going to put in your card number, your expiration date along with your security code. And after that, you're going to click on to pay now then. And once you click on pay now, now you can go ahead and download GTA Vice City on your computer. And then you can go ahead and play the game. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.